Meanwhile, across the country, there are more than 3,700 confirmed coronavirus cases and 69 deaths. Government officials say they are taking steps to isolate Americans and keep those numbers from spiking. CBS 4's Natalie Brand is live at the White House with the government's response and the impact on the economy. Natalie?
And Maribel, shutdowns are growing nationwide. A short time ago, we learned the U.S. Supreme Court will be postponing upcoming arguments. Business as usual certainly on hold as national and state leaders try to strategize next steps. The Centers for Disease Control is now recommending no gatherings with 50 or more people to stem the spread of the coronavirus. More stringent measures could be coming.
On a day-by-day basis, we look at this and literally we will do everything that we can to make sure we safeguard the health and the well-being of the American people. And that means everything and anything we'll consider.
Schools across the country are closed today, with New York City being the latest to keep children at home. And several cities and states have ordered bars and restaurants closed, except for drive-through or delivery.
We've been learning over the last couple of days is us gathering is probably the most dangerous thing that we can do.
Police cleared out Bourbon Street in New Orleans, and the bright lights of Las Vegas will be dimmer as MGM is closing its casinos and hotels, a big hit to that city's tourist economy worth $34 billion. The Senate is back in session this afternoon and will discuss a multi-billion-dollar relief bill backed by President Trump to help families and employees out of work as a result of the virus. The Federal Reserve cut its benchmark rate to a range between 0 and 1/4%. It's also buying $700 billion in securities to boost money into the economy. That news did nothing to help the markets. Trading was halted as soon as the opening bell rang. Wall Street traders are now having their temperatures checked before entering the trading floor. Here at the White House, temperatures among reporters and personnel also being checked before we enter the grounds here. Now, a White House press briefing by the task force that was previously scheduled for this morning has been postponed to this afternoon. And another angle that's getting concern or causing concern is protecting our healthcare workers and emergency personnel on the front lines of this. Senator Rick Scott has sent a letter to the vice president urging the administration to increase the domestic production of personal protective equipment. That's things like masks and special gear for emergency personnel, saying it's become clear that the national stockpile is limited. Senator Scott says this is a concern that's been raised by law enforcement agencies as well. Carly?
Natalie Brand reporting live from Washington, D.C. Thank you.